It's yoga time! Cosmic Kids for little ones.
Oh, hello! I'm Jamie. I'm just doing yoga. I wonder if you can do it too.
OK, everyone, let's see what happens. Magic fingers, magic fingers, magic fingers wiggle away. Oh, wow! Hooray! We get to go on an exciting transport adventure. First, we're going to zoom, zoom, zoom in a car. Let's do our car pose. Sitting with our legs out long in front of us, we twist to click in our seatbelt. We hold the steering wheel, start the engine, and off we go. The cars on the road go zoom, 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 zoom. Choo. Are we ready? The trains on the track go choo, 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 choo. But who's ready to hop in a boat? Me! Come on then, everyone. The boats on the sea go swish, swish, swish all day long. Oh, what brilliant boats we all are. Very good, everyone.
And we close our eyes, thinking of all the awesome transport that we've been on today and all the fun places we've been.
Oh, wow, what fun we had. Remember, you can always travel however you like, wherever you like, with your yoga and your imagination.